and welcome back to techystack channel. Before moving to our topic, if not subscribe the channel, please subscribe, share and like the video. And if you have any doubts, please mention in comment section. Today we'll see RPA Challenge 5. So I've opened that criteria. So Challenge 5 is customer enrollment bot. So develop an input bot from the download Excel file from the rpachallenge.com. So I need to go to this portal. So here they given the one Excel file. I'm downloading that Excel file. I downloaded. After this, we need to enter this data, I think. So here a company name, last name, company name, everything are available. So, okay, here the problem is all elements are changing. Now the phone number is here. Let me refresh and phone number went to somewhere else here. So the elements are not standard. So we need to check how it will works. So let me go back to Uipath Studio. So first of all, we need to read the data. For that, I'm taking read range from workbook, ask parameter, path, and let me check what type of data is available in this Excel file. So you're having your data is first name, last name, and so on. So and the sheet name is sheet one. Now this is done. After I need to make a variable which is stored in the data table. Excel data table. Now this is done. After we need to launch this browser. Open browser. Let me take this browser type is Chrome. And the step one is we need to take update the data here. Type into indicate on the screen. So this is done. After here we need to put the for loop for each because every time we need to update this role in company, and once you click on this update, next time also it will come the another page. So for that I will take for each row in data table and updating here value as Excel data table. This is done. I will put inside of that body. Already I have indicated on that. Let me go to the open in UI Explorer. I want to see what type of data is, what type of elements are available there. Let me re-indicate again. So here we can see some bunch of, okay, still it's not validate. Let me click on validate. So it's ID and some of the not validate. Let me find what is happened there. Just refresh this page and I will take fresh element from there. So now it's validating. Now what I will do? So just I will take this inner visible text and I don't want these two tags and removing this value. After I will validate. Now I will just highlight on this and it's fine. Now I will Click on the save option. Just I will put this element on the top side. I want to check whether bot able to enter the data or not. Let me put on the top side and I will update some random data. And I'm running this part. Let me check. If it is able to enter, then our okay, this is not validating. We need to re-indicate that element and we need to take that. Okay, it's having some issue. I'm re-indicating on this again. I will take now mail ID. After this, I will select this one and I will take the visible inner text. Let me remove IDX value as well. Validating the element and highlighting. Okay, both are working fine. Click on this save. Just I will check whether it's saved or not. Okay, it's saved. Now running. Okay, it's updating. So now this is fine. I will just move it back to here because this is working well and good. And here we need to give this. This is related to mail ID now. So current row of, we need to see what they given column name here, mail ID column. So they will give here email. Just copy and paste it. Or else you can press F2 and copy that. Dot to string. So this one step is done. And similar way we need to do for the other things. This for email, now just I will mention as email. I will just copy and paste and open in UI Explorer. Indicate on the element. I will check this first name. For the first time, it's having first name. Okay. I will just update these things. And similar way, I will do for all the things. And this is for the first name. So just copying that first name and updating there. The first name. And next for second name. Where is it? Last name. Let me refresh whether I'm able to validate or not. Okay, because here a dot and pp is not working. So let me change this, make it as star. Okay, so change that this name as to star. I will do for another two as well. Let me go this here. And if you want, we can remove this entire. It's fine, not a problem. This is for last name. Let me go to Excel and copy this. And next one is company name. So we need to do all things like this only. Just I will make it here company name. I will copy from here and I will just trial it. If it is working, then fine. Else we need to re-indicate and we need to validate. Okay, this is fine. Okay, it's highlighting. Company name and I will update here as well. Company name. Similarly, next what is the phone number and I will copy from here phone number. Validating, and if I remove this also it will work. It's not in a problem. And let me highlight phone number. It's highlighting. Phone number also completed. After this phone number, role in a company. Role in a company. Okay, here I not updated a phone number. Now next one is role in a company. Just I will update role in company. Let me validate and highlight. Okay, it's highlighting, but it's not highlighting exactly. We'll check if bot working fine or not. So first name, last name, company name, phone number, role in company is completed, and email also completed. Totally 6 steps are there, and here total is 7. So we missed the address. Let's go and do for the address as well. This is for address, and inside also we need to keep the address and open in UI Explorer. Here only we can change that everything. So this is something different. It's came again. I need to indicate. I remove this. I'm not able to remove that. I will make it as if start. And let me remove this as well. Okay, now all completed. And final step, we need to click on the submit option. Just click on submit button. Now this all steps were completed and now running this bot. Let me close this Excel file. Okay. I close that Excel file and it's taking first name, last name, IT solutions, phone number, role in the company, email ID, and the address. So now it needs to do for the, I think, 10 rows are there. So it needs to do for the 10 rows. We'll wait for the 10 rows. And there is another way we can do with this. If I got good comments on this, then I will go for the second approach also. I will show you how to do the second approach. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.